Hi, I'm Josh Bowman, Product Manager for QxControl, and in this section we're going to talk about managing the gateway. Now the good news is all of the updates and major work involved with managing a gateway is actually done by us QxControl. However, there are still some things you can do with the gateway yourself. So by going to the Gateways page and clicking on the gateway, you'll be presented with multiple tabs and options. So looking first, you will see all cameras that are associated with your gateway, as well as all doors. You can tab through them if there are multiple pages, and all of these are linked to the page of the actual device. So in this case here, you can see this took us to the camera page for the camera that I just clicked on. We can also then go back. We can look at system details. So if you're trying to compare to release notes to ensure that you've really received the latest update, or perhaps more for a support purpose, this information may be relevant then. Also, as you learned in the configuration lessons, we can run Discover devices from the gateway, which is an easy way to go out onto your network and find your devices and add them. So if you go to the Discover Devices tab, it will automatically run an OnViv scan. If you are trying to run a Discover Devices and you're not getting all of the information that you're looking for, you can choose an ARP scan. This is a little more heavy-handed, but it will provide the full MAC address, IP, and information for all of your devices. However, will not be limited to just your OnViv-based devices, so keep that in mind. Also, if you're installing Mercury-based devices such as QxControl Enterprise panels, you can run a Mercury scan and find the Mercury devices that are available on your network to install. Lastly, here in this last tab, we can do an edit gateway, and we can change or upload a new thumbnail image for the gateway. We can rename the gateway. We can also change the scope location of the gateway itself. You can move gateways around between your own customer sites. However, you cannot move a gateway from one integrator hierarchy to another without the help of support. Now, if we go back to the info page, you will see that we have the option also from the actions button to run all of your appropriate scans that we just mentioned for device discovery. We can also reset scope to the place of the gateway. And also we have the config button, which will use the go to web page function to go to Cockpit, which is the management software for the gateway hardware itself. Now, a note about this, we do provide at the time of purchase the username and password so that you can log into Cockpit. However, we do not recommend that you go into Cockpit without help from support, because you can create a lot of problems if you don't know what you're doing. However, the password is yours, and if you choose, you may go in and manage, but again, we do not recommend that. So that covers up managing the gateway. Again, all of your updates and all the big things, we handle that for you, so it's a very easy process. This concludes the lesson on managing gateways. Thank you.